Hey guys, JB Puppy here, and welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you some awesome updates, like the brand new beach house. Now, it's really big, and it's awesome. Now basically, cheetahs are coming back, the same thing about the spring money, and there is a den item contest. We already voted, but you can have a sand castle or mechanical future or an excavation site, which I voted for the mechanical future. All of them are still pretty cool. Now, I'll show you my house so far. So this is the beach house. So this is the front. You start up here. Now you buy these. This is the spider web floor, and this is the star bat. So you basically have all this space to yourself. And if you want, friends can come. And it's cool how they have a patio. And there's a slide that takes you to the beach. But there is more to see. So that you have your own pool. So you just keep going down, and you will go off the water, but when you go to the side, at this certain point, is this it? Yes, you have your own mini island, which is, I think, is pretty cool. And you have this big chunk of rock there. So much extra space, but it's really big. I mean, I think it's awesome. So yeah, why don't you check it out? Now there isn't really any new items like the clothes, but there is the butterfly hairball and the pearl necklace, the bracelet, I'm sorry. But that isn't really new, but one brand new thing that came out today that I don't think you guys noticed is a feather tail. So you can find it in the diamond shop for 2 diamonds, which I think that Headdresses may be coming. They might get their own thing of like feather. And Headdresses, they have feathers. So I think this is a clue for Headdresses. So guys, JB Puppy here. Remember to like and subscribe. And comment for more JB Puppy videos. And animal videos. See you soon.